While Twitter doesn't directly show you who's unfollowed you, you can still find out using third party websites and apps. One way to see your unfollowers is to visit who.unfollowed.me in a web browser. Then sign into the website with your Twitter account. Follow the prompts to give the website access to your Twitter data. Next, go to the top of the page and click the Unfollowers button. While you won't see anyone who unfollowed you before you signed in to Who Unfollowed Me, any new unfollows will show up at the Unfollowers link from now on. Other websites that offer similar services include Unfollow Spy and ZebraBoss. If you don't want to give a website direct access to your Twitter account, ZebraBoss is a good option. All you need to do is provide your Twitter username or URL and an email address. Then ZebraBoss will send you a daily email with a list of people who have unfollowed you. You can also try using an app that tracks who follows or unfollows you, such as Unfollower Stats or Who Unfollowed Me on Twitter. Install the app on your phone or tablet. Then follow the prompts to sign in with your Twitter account and let the app get access to your follower data. These apps typically have an unfollower or recent unfollows section, where you can find information about who has unfollowed you. They may also let you see other data, like who has recently started following you, or which users you follow who don't follow you back.